Hi, good morning. This is Ziyad from AMAG Technology. I'm a pre-sales and technical support Middle East. I'll present to you Symmetry Complete View. There has been some cool new features with the new Symmetry Complete View 7.1. Uh, Quickly, I'll go through them. Storage pool is one of the new cool feature where you can get the status of each camera recording per day. You can get an average recording of the storage. Uh, on top of that, we do have dynamic resolution scaling, which is one of the competitive features of Symmetry Complete View. As you see here in the screen, I have multiple windows. The server sends a different resolution for the same camera, so each server measures the size of the picture required by the client, and it sends to each client. This saves on the bandwidth and the network for the Symmetry Complete View. Symmetry Complete View is a standalone system. It can be offered to talk to multiple access control systems. And thank you very much for your time.